Hi everyone! So I'm really excited for today's painting. As you can see, I'm in a different setup than I usually am because I'm not home. I'm using new products, so I'm excited to see how they're going to work. So all of my paints here, they're Politec, so it's a new brand for me. And instead of my regular Floetrol, I have this Bexel. It's a little bit, actually a lot more liquid than what I'm used to. And for my silicone, I'm using this, so I'm excited to see. I've noticed that in the ingredients there's some dimethicone, so I'm hoping for some really cool cells and results. And that's about it. So because my Bexel is so liquid, all I have in my paints are paint and Bexel, and the silicone. I did not need to add water. So I'm going to be doing puddle pour and a little bit of blowing with my straw, and that's about it. So hopefully it turns out nice, and hopefully my paints are not too liquid.